Good morning, guys. So, we are getting ready to walk the kids to the bus stop, and Cheers right there. He was sick last night. Maddie's on the bed. I need to get her dressed in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So, I have to dress her, and then we're gonna go for a walk. So, I need to find her clothes. I'm gonna put her in this. I'm gonna put her in that, change her diaper, and oh, get off. I hate when I'm rushing. So cold. Ooh, my hands are like red. Oh, it's so cold. Ooh, so cold. So cold. No, Matt did well.
And I'm hungry.
Oh.
Probably frozen.
He said she's probably frozen. She's not frozen.
Oh, she's awake.
Say good morning, babe. Get your cold hand off of her.
She's okay. Her head's a little cold. Yeah, no hair from her.
What do you mean? Hi, Mom. Good morning. Good morning, sweet girl. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Good morning, Pardon. Good morning. So I went for my morning walk. Could you turn that down? Could you turn it down? It's down? Okay. Back to you, Miss Lady. Good morning.
Jaxson, pay attention to what you're
Say good morning, sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. Say it's time for me to eat. What's your affirmation today? Say I am beautiful. Madison, what's your affirmation? I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Madison. So we're back in the house. We're not doing anything today. Are we doing anything today, honey?
I don't know.
You don't know? You sure? No, we're not doing anything today. Today is just a regular day. But we're just coming back from our morning walk, which is something that I wasn't able to do.
Flurries outside, though.
I don't like to walk by myself, you know? So, you hear about all these women being kidnapped and murdered and all that.
They ain't saying nothing about no flurries.
But yeah, it's snowing, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, whatever. You guys probably couldn't see that, but I'm gonna go eat some breakfast, and that's it. So what's wrong with her?
She's walking slowly. Gigi, she won't walk.
She won't walk?
No.
You sure?
I don't know what's wrong with my cat.
What's up?
Normally she would run.
Did you guys tell Daddy what happened to her?
No. Look.
What?
See? A little, up here is like stuff, but it always comes down. See?
What, is she paralyzed?
Huh?
What's wrong with her?
I don't know.
That's weird.
No way.
What are you guys doing with?
I don't know. Must be this.
What's all them bags?
Oh,
Oh, that's the candy.
uh-huh. Check that. Every time I touch it, she knows.
Okay, I don't know what's wrong with the cat.
Look.
Look, she's walking. What? She's walking. Ain't nothing wrong with the cat.
Yeah?
I don't think anything was wrong with the cat. But anyway, why you have her?
Daddy told me.
Daddy told you to take her?
Yeah.
Give her to me. You're not no baby mama. no, no, no. No, 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 no. Hi, Maddie. Hi, Maddie Quinn. Hi, baby. It's dinner time.
Yeah, it is.
I have to cook it because someone is not going to. I'm gonna go cook dinner. Might just do Did you guys do your chores?
No.
You still working on homework? Hello, am I speaking to myself or am I asking a question?
I'm doing a 20-minute reading.
Huh? I can't hear you.
I'm doing a 20-minute reading.
You doing your 20-minute read? What are you reading? How long have you been reading?
20.
Huh?
Plus,
Did you put a timer?
That's not even a reading book.
Are you trying to get out of doing your chores? Okay. Can you hurry up with that reading log? It's not really a reading log. Where's the baby chair? Get that stuff out of her chair. Let me put her down, please. Jaxson left it there. Could you please pick it up?
Huh?
Jaxson, you left your plate in the chair. Could you please get it? You don't have a servant here, young man. I have to make dinner. What's in the freezer? I have fish.
I don't want fish.
You don't want fish?
No.
And I have I'm getting ready to do dinner. Sure, go ahead. What's that face for?
Nothing.
Anyways, I read your guys' comment about the MS. There's MSM. MSM, and I did the research on it.
A 2.
And
A 3.
I also
A 4.
the research on the hair, skin, and
A 1, a 2,
nail
a 3, a
supplement.
4, a 5. A 5.
6.
A 2.
6. That's a 6. That's a 6.
No, it's a 5.
That is a 6. It's a 6.
I don't have a 5.
I know, that's why you're getting confused. Ask your sister where's the rest of your numbers.
A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6.
Exactly.
A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6. No.
Keep on going.
No.
Ooh, look guys. Look who's calling me, the nuisance.
A 6, a 7, a 8, a 9.
My twin.
A 1.
Hello?
No, wait. A 1, 2, a 3.
Hold on, hold on.
A 5.
Where's the remote to the television?
Why is this man fussing? Stay fussing, I don't understand. But anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog because it's starting to get a bit crazy up in this house. Why are you whining?
Why is this here? Destiny, get out here.
Ooh, somebody's in trouble.
Crap from the floor.
Anyways, like I was saying, the comment about the subscriber, someone left a comment down in the comment section saying that I should try MSM, and I'm gonna give it a try. So you guys are gonna see me give that a try. So thank you so much for that suggestion, advice, I think. So anyways, I'm gonna go. There's nothing else happening here tonight. We're about to go watch Family Feud, and I will see you guys Monday.
Here is the remote.
Bye. Have a good weekend.